Spotlight, moonlight, get why you tripping, get your mood right. Should've look good in the moonlight. What is supposed to be so spotlight, spotlight.
What's up guys, welcome back to my another new video. Today again I have got the thing for the gamers, which is the Plextone G30 gaming earphone. First of all, if you didn't see the video of G20, I have given the link in the description. Go and watch it first. Then let's get in the review of G30. This is the G30 dual microphone gaming headset. In Plextone G30 we can see we get dual microphone gaming headset, noise cancelling memory fan. It's compatible for PC, PS4, Xbox One and Nintendo Switch. We get the double microphone with HD voice and its lightweight design earphone. It's 14 grams. So look at the box. We get a ear ring, which is the fit ear support, anti-electromagnetic cable, call, hang up, play, pause, the main button for a module of a earphone. Then we get the mute mic. So it's a new feature from the before model, which is the G20. In G30 we get a mute button. So if we press the mute button, it will be muted, and if you want to unmute, just unmute it. And it's an inline microphone with HD voice. So we get an inline microphone and detachable microphone with HD voice. That means we get dual microphones. One is built-in and another one is detachable. So we get a 10mm bullet high fidelity speaker. Then we get a built-in active noise reduction microphone. So let's unbox it. So it's a surprising matter of a earphone that it comes in a big case and it's very standard in looking. So it's definitely for gamers. So I got the G20 over here. I'll just gonna tell the small comparison between two, which one you should buy. So let's open it up. First we get a pouch and we get the earphone. So after we open the pouch, we get a user manual and warranty card. Then we get the ear tips, which is like the same of G20, and even we get the audio displacement, which is the audio displacer, and extended cable. Both are same in G20 and G30. But when I just unboxed the G30, it's totally different. Here the cable is much longer than the other version of G20. So first of all, the color reminds me of the Razer. The design is very good. It's totally plastic made. It's high quality plastic. The medium size ear ring is built in and the medium ear tips is also given. So it is a detachable microphone, so you can move the microphone if you want. So if you just want, just pull it, you'll just get the one microphone over here. But if you want dual microphone, so just place it. It's for the gamers only. Shape of the ear, I don't actually, for my opinion, it's very big in size and it's a little bit of weighty because of the external microphone. Even the module is much larger than the before one. See the difference of it. It's so big. Even this is the sliding volume up down button, and this is the mute button, and the call button, play pause button is in the back. They are both L-shaped jack, so both are same, but they are a little bit flexible in the G30. And the wire quality is both are same, but the wire is much thicker than the G20. So G30 is much bigger than the other ones. Between the comparison into, I just placed PUBG with both of them. So after playing PUBG, we just got that the footsteps, I mean the base of this G30 is much heavier. so you can hear the footsteps and the gunfire much proper. Here you get the vocal cords very well. In the treble of the G20 is much better and the bass of the G30 is much better. So the difference is only for the treble. So if you want lightweight and small in size, you can buy the G20. I'll recommend for you. And if you want to get a best gaming experience, you can get or you can buy this G30. And it's a little bit weight, it's not a fact, but it's very good. We got dual microphone and our voice will be HD clear. So I'm gonna tell you, its price is 750 taka in Bangladesh and it's 1200 taka in Bangladesh. So if you just wanna buy it, if your range is high, then you can buy the G30. If your range is less, you can buy the G20. Both are same, just the G30 is better in sound, nothing else, and it's a little bit bigger. And I'm gonna recommend this for only gamers, not others, only for gamers. It's not perfect for doing online classes, or it's not perfect for even listening song. If you wanna listen song, you can go ahead, but the best experience you cannot get. So it's only for the best experience you can get is for gaming. So I'm gonna recommend you to buy the G30 if you have a big budget and if you want a best gaming experience. And if you don't have the budget of high price, so you can buy the G20. It's low price, small in size, and it's very good. So thanks guys for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned.